All right, guys, we got a 2013 Chevy Caprice in. He's got, I don't know what mufflers in the middle. He's also got J-pipes in the rear and I believe long tube headers. Long tube headers. It's also cammed. I don't know what stage, but headers there. No cats. Didn't touch any of that. There's the mid muffler that's on it. I don't know what kind of muffler that is. And then pipe all the way out the back. And then there's the J-pipes. We're going to take those off. We're going to put Borla ProXS's on them. Part number 40358. In the back right here. There it is right there. I'll let you guys hear it when we're finished. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels? 116. So let you guys hear it after we put the Borla ProXS on it. All right, guys, so 2013 Chevy Caprice. So it's got a solo exhaust from the headers back. We just put Borlas on it. So that's what that is in the middle. But long tube headers there, long tube headers there, no converters. There's a solo muffler in the middle. Piping all the way out, and then there's what we did, the Borla ProXS on each side, right there and right there. We also clamped it in as well, so you could take it back off down the line, change it if you want to. Yeah, there it is right there. Then we went back into the tips he originally had on it, right there and right there. And the J-pipes that were on it, again, we took the clamps off, so he could technically put those back on if he wanted to eventually as well. So there it is. Right there. So we'll see how much it tamed it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Tamed it a lot. It hit 123 before. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Caprice with solo from the headers back and Borla ProXS in the rear.